Wow. Just wow. What an absolute bloodbath. I mean, things are getting really, really intense. Let's go ahead and go over the charts. We'll go over the liquidations. We'll go over the fear and greed index and see if we have any bull market peak signal sort of indicators that we can check off a checklist that we have. So right off the bat, we have officially broken the trend line that I have drawn out here. I believe it started from January 13th. So January 13th was pretty much known as the lowest low of BTC as we knew it for the past month and a half. Clearly, today it got absolutely obliterated and destroyed. And I did have this support line drawn right here at around 86,000. It did hold to an extent. It did go below it by like $63 or $70. But that's not bad. Okay, wait. What just happened? Okay. I am not gonna lie, that was what? Okay, alright, we're just gonna look at the 4-hour chart, because what the heck, I could have swore okay, whatever. I guess it's just not showing on the daily time frame, but that's fine. We'll just look at the 4-hour chart instead, okay? So, trend line broken. I'm not going to take away this trend line just yet. I'm not going to delete it just yet. Why? I do want to see if it will test as resistance, and if it breaks through, if we then consolidate a little bit and then break out more. Okay, but before all of that happens, right, we do have this resistance line that I've drawn out. It's not really, I mean, it is resistance right now, but this is sort of a downtrend line that I've drawn this is from December 17th that I've drawn out here. And as you can see, it did go through it, and then it tried to come back, but it couldn't, went back down, tried to come back, and it's been trying to come back ever since. But let's just see. The first step, of course, is to break this resistance. It's currently resistance right now, but to break it and to turn it into support. So just be on the lookout for that. And let's go ahead and go into the daily time frame to just get a bigger picture, a better and bigger picture of what's going on right now. Okay, so don't mind this. I don't know why, but you guys literally saw in the beginning of the video there was a wick down here to 86k. I don't know where it went, but let's just keep that in mind. 86k. Okay, so pretty much this just takes away, let's see, all the way right here. We're pretty much right back at November levels. This is not something, how can I word this? This isn't something extremely bearish, but it's also just as strongly, I'm going to say this with very strong emphasis, it's also not extremely bullish. So we're kind of on the fence here. Personally, I am 50-50, right? It's not the most bearish scenario. Okay, let me just start off by saying it's not the most bearish scenario. Okay, and why is that? Well, I mean, let's just look at the bigger picture. Look at this. Does that look something of a bear market to you? No. Consolidation, boom. Consolidation, maybe like to like right here-ish, right? And then boom, we go up. So that's why it's not extremely bearish. Now, it's also not extremely bullish. Why? Look at this beautiful thing right here called the double top. It's not the most perfect double top, but, we tried to, we made a new high right here. We went down, we tried going back up, no, couldn't. Tried going back up, no, we couldn't. Try going back up, we broke it, But ever since, this resistance line right here has not been broken, right? Like, you know, we tried, boom, couldn't make it. We tried, boom, couldn't make it. We were going to try again, but then just, you know, to the downwards. So it's a very mixed bag right now, guys. And I think we do need to give it a couple of days to see sort of where sentiment goes. Sentiment is pretty much in the trash right now. Capitulation is, you know, extreme all-time high. I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you. In fact, let me just go ahead and show it right now. If we look at the liquidation heat map right here, right, this is the 12 hours, right? Let's go ahead and just take a look. Just, I mean, did this refresh? I'm sorry, I didn't even check. Did this refresh? Yeah, it's refreshed. I mean, what? No, let's look at the 1 day. This is going to give us a crazy liquidation map right now. Are you guys ready for this? You guys are not ready for this. Look at that. You know, let's make this even crazier. Look at the 3 days. Just watch this. Just watch this. Look at that. I mean, look where we were, right? Just a few days ago. And then just look at the sweep right here. All these liquidations. So 85,750 is the first target that you should look forward to. Actually, technically not look forward to, but you know, something to keep in mind. So 85,750 would bring us right around here, right? I do have 86k marked, so I'm not going to, you know what, let me just bring this down a little bit. This is 8601, right? If I bring it down to 85,750, boom, there you go. Now it makes it a little bit better. Now if I do go into the 4-hour chart, okay, there you go. Now it's a little better. There you go. Now it's a little better. All right, let's go back into the daily chart. That wick looks much better on the 85,750. I did not put it at 812. I put it at 85,777. Fine, it's whatever. Let's go ahead and take a look at the liquidation chart again. This is for 3 days. Now let's go ahead and look at the 1 week. This is about to be the most craziest liquidation heat map you've seen for BTC just yet. If it can even load. Oh my god! Wow. Oof, that's insane. That's absolutely insane. I mean, yeah, the sell-off was absolutely brutal today. There's literally nothing else, you know, to say. It was just a brutal sell-off day. Simple as that. That it is what it is, you know. Let's see here. We have checked the 1 week. I like to keep it to the 1 week. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. This is pretty much sentiment, retail capitulation. Where are we? We are at 26. Guys, let me just go into the 30 days. Okay, we've obviously never been into 26, but 30 days in the past 30 days. But I mean, the lowest we've ever been is 26, and that was on September 6th, 2024, and that was when we were at 53,000 per BTC, all right, per Bitcoin. Okay, we're currently in the high 80s, right? 88, 89, 90,000, and we're at the same 26 fear and greed index level. Call it what you want, but I mean, we have got to be crazy oversold here. I just, crazy gut feeling. I don't know, I might be completely wrong, but I mean, every time we've gotten to low levels like this, which is probably only once. Yeah, I only think we've been to 26 once. Yep, and this is the second time. This is literally the second time. What happened after we got to 26? Let's count the days, all right? So September 6. September 6, we were at 26. Let's go to October 6. Let's see how long it took for it to get to the green. October, November. Give or take 2 months, a little more than 2 months. 2.5 months. And we got into the extreme greed territory. given it was the election and whatnot. So let's try again from September 6th. Let's go up to, okay, from 53 we went up to 57. Just a few, what was that, 3 days? 3 days. So basically what I'm trying to say is a bounce back from these levels is not impossible, right? But we've been saying that for a while, so we just have to kind of be on our toes here and see what the market wants, right? Let the market decide what it wants to do. One more thing before I let you guys go. These are the bull market peak signal checklist that you usually want to check. And as you guys can see, have we hit any of them? Yeah, I think the chart speaks for itself, or the checklist speaks for itself. None of these have hit, so we're good to go. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I got for you all today. I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow. So, yeah, have a good one. Peace.